The season has changed. The tears are turning into testimonies. The doors are opening. The light is shining. Oge Amara eruola.
Oge Amara.
I remember when I waited, when the answer seemed so far. I prayed through the midnight, looking up toward the stars. There were days I felt forgotten. There were nights I cried alone. But your mercy kept me standing, and your grace became my song. Now I look around my life, and I can see your mighty hand. What I thought would never happen is becoming what you planned. You turned my waiting into dancing. You turned my sorrow into praise. Now my heart has found a reason to rejoice in these new days. The night is passing away. A new morning has arrived.
What you promised yesterday
Is becoming real today. Oge Amara,
Oge Amara.
Oge Amara,
Oge Amara.
Amara Chineke,
Oge Amara.
Oge Amara,
Oge Amara.
Obu Oge Mgabu,
Oge Amara. Obu Oge Mgabu Abu.
Obu Oge Mgabu.
Oge Amara. Obu Oge Mgabu Abu.
The doors are opening.
The heavens are smiling.
My testimony is coming.
Oge Amara erola.
Grace has found me.
Grace has lifted me.
This is
my season of grace.
I don't have to fear tomorrow, for the Lord is leading me. Hey, every mountain before me will become a testimony. What the enemy called impossible, God has turned into a way. What looked like the end of my story is a brand new chapter today. I can hear the sound of rejoicing. I can feel a change within. The God who carried me through yesterday is bringing greater days again. So I will dance with thanksgiving. I will shout his holy name. For the grace that kept me standing is the grace that brought me here.
Oge Amara.
Oge Amara,
Oge Amara.
Amara Chineke,
Oge Amara.
Oge Amara,
Oge Amara.
Chukwu emele ihe ọma.
Oge Amara.
My morning is turning to dancing. My sorrow is turning to joy. My testimony will tell the story. God has been good to me. God has been good to me. God has been good to me. Oh, oh, God has been good to me.
Oge Amara.
Oge Amara,
Oge Amara.
Oge Amara,
Oge Amara.
Oge Amara.
Oge Amara. Oge.
There were seeds I planted quietly that nobody else could see. There were prayers I kept repeating, have no answer, but you were working. Even when I couldn't see it, you were preparing the way. Even when I thought you were silent, now I understand. The waiting was not rejection, the delay was not abandonment. You were preparing my Oge Amara, and now I am here. Let the drums begin. Oge Amara. Let the people dance. Oge Amara. Let the choir sing. Oge Amara. Let every nation testify. Grace has opened the door. Grace has made a way. Grace has changed my story. Oge Amara. Oge Amara. Oge Amara. Oge Amara. I crave, now I testify. I cried, now I dance. I believed, now I see. Oge Amara. My season has arrived. The grace of God is here. I remember when I waited.